I'm gonna do some black pipe, gas piping decor for some, like a ladder looking thingy for some blankets. So I got one piece there, and then I got a couple here. I'm gonna pre-cut 15 of those, and then I'm gonna tread them, because I got the pipe trader. But you could always go to your local hardware and they'll get the pieces by yourself, the sizes that you want, and they have them already pre-cut and whatnot. It's more expensive like that. So what I do is I just buy the entire pipe and just cut it myself, and they save a lot of money. So far the pipe is like 18 bucks, and 2 pieces of wood is gonna be like $7. That's how much it's gonna take. Plus I already got some stains, so I'll stain them. Then I'll show you what's the rest. You wanna damn, look at my long ass hair. Alright, so I'm gonna cut the pipes for that decor that I was telling you. And this is the closest I could put my phone to record that. I don't know if it's possible, but I'll put in the description. If y'all could help out, there's a GoFundMe page. A family member of my sister-in-law's passed, and we're trying to raise some money up so we could bring a family member here so they could check them out, so they could see them and give them a proper burial, and so we could cover some of the medical expenses and stuff like that. So if you guys want to go down below in the description and help us out, anything helps, man. Just by sharing it will help as well. If you don't have money to donate or whatever, if you share the video, someone else might. So that'll be a nice touch for this family in particular, because they're going through some rough times. I know we're all struggling with work and stuff like that, but it will really mean a lot to me and to that family. So I'll put that description down below. Let's get to the video. I'm gonna cut these pieces into 15 inches and we'll go from there. Oh, I just thought about an idea. If you guys like what I'm doing on the video and you guys go to that description and share and something, I'll choose one person and I'll send them the pipes pre-treated and everything, all the material that it needs for you guys to do something like what I'm doing as decor. I'll send you guys one of those. The only thing I won't be able to send would be the wood, but as far as the pipe, which is the most expensive thing, I'll send you guys that, and then you guys just could get the wood and drill it and do it like I did it, and just use the video to do it. I will choose a random person throughout the video to make it more interesting and stuff. But like I said, I'll really appreciate it if you guys do share this, and if you could donate to that person in the GoFundMe page. I'll share the link below if it's possible, if I could do it. I don't want to get banned from YouTube. Alright, so I got one piece cut and it's already pre-treated on one side. I had to do the treads on the other side. I'm gonna be doing this for 5 pieces, which will cover a 7-foot long ladder, and then I'll show you how to assemble it once I got the wood and all that pre-joined and everything. But I'm gonna stop the video for now. We got 3 down, all those to go. That's mine and yours. This is how I'm pipe treating it. I gotta get my glove real quick. I'm gonna start it, and then I'll put a little bit of oil, that way it doesn't burn. Put in oil, you gotta keep it in oil. that's how we do the treads. I'm gonna lift, yank, reverse. I have to repeat that process for every single pipe. It's hard to record and do this at the same time. Then I gotta clean it. There goes one side. Now I gotta turn it the other way. Oh, by the way, you guys could spray paint it or something, because it does leave this little mark when this teats tight into the machine. So you guys will have to spray paint it or just leave it like that. But I do recommend that you put a clear coat or something, because then you'll get your whatever you're gonna hang on that, it'll get it dirty. All right, guys, still out here cutting pipe. It did snow. I do have the GoFundMe page on the bottom of the description. Oh, it's cold. If you guys could help out that family, like I said probably 10 times already, I'm gonna see if I could do a GoFundMe as well for my YouTube channel, so you could help out the channel. But I don't think it's gonna be through GoFundMe. It's gonna be like a PayPal or something. I don't know if I could do that. I don't know if I'll do it. And your chances of winning that thing are, you don't have to buy anything, you don't have to donate. All you have to do is comment, like the video, share it on your man, how the fuck do you say that? Internet? No. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that shit. Snapchat. Social media, there you go. Hopefully I'll be able to upload this video today, because I already got the wood. I got it cut at 7 feet. Excuse the mess, sorry about all that. And then here I have it at a 10% angle. That way when we set the ladder, it could just be like that. But I already got it marked from down here to the first hole, 16 inches. And then from here, every 16 inches, it's the mark. I got both of them clamped down together. That way I could pre-drill them. I'll go ahead and drill them real quick. You're gonna need a 7/8 bit for the 1/2 inch pipe. And then you can use a 2x4. Actually no, you're gonna have to use the same wood as me, because what I'm sending you is this little thing. This is gonna be part of the kit that I'm sending you guys, whoever is the winner. And this is gonna go in here, so you could tread something on here and then something on this side. And this is what's gonna hold the ladder, and I'll show you that step once I get to that. Let me drill it real quick, and I'll be right back. See you guys in a little bit. This pipe barely fits in here, and that's how much it should stick out. That's gonna be for the attachment that you're gonna add there. When you are drilling this, don't go all the way through, because then you'll mess up the wood. But damn, it's hard to hold the phone and then hold this. Give me a second, guys. Let me see if I can put this here real quick. Ah, I knew it's lighting. Hold on. As soon as you see the bit coming out on the other side, that's when you stop. See, I don't go all the way through, or through, whatever, however you say it. Once you have the little hole down here, then you go from here up. Let me go ahead and finish them, and then I'll show you how you're gonna install it. All right, y'all. So this is what you're gonna get in the package. Here's the winner. And this is how simple it is to put it together once you have the wood and everything set up. Remember, you're gonna have to put some sort of clear coat on all your pipes, just so it doesn't get your stuff dirty. But you're gonna get a, really, this is like 15-inch piece of pipe. You're gonna get 2 of these for each side, obviously, and then you're gonna get this, which is couplings, and this is how you assemble it. On this side, you put the coupling on one side, and then you put the piece that has the cap in that little piece here. Then you're just gonna screw it a little bit, so it could look like so. And then this is what you do. You screw this in here as much as you can. And remember to screw them all the same. That way you have your ladder looking the same way. Oh, I'm sorry, I messed up. On this one, you're gonna actually screw the coupling on the actual pipe, because the threads only go one way. If I could get it to screw. Okay, there you go. So once you have it screwed, that's when you put this one on this side. Oh, I'm getting this thing dirty. Then I'm gonna have to sand it. I'm gonna be staining this the same color I did my barn door. But that's how your towel rack is gonna look. It's gonna have a cap, a coupling, a piece, coupling, and a cap. And you'll be getting this as a gift, and I'll send it to you. If you're the lucky winner. I can't provide it with the wood because that'll just be too crazy to deliver. But you could even have them, if you buy a 7-foot piece of wood, and it has to be a 1x4, and have them drill, you could have them drill you a 7/8 hole, which is from here dead center. I believe it's 1 3/4, and that's center throughout, and 16 inches spread apart. Show you guys the results once I'm done putting it all together. See you guys in a bit. Nah, I just gotta stain this the color I want. But that's what you'll get. Except for the boards, obviously. Give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, share it. And good luck to the winner.